Hello guys.
Hi.
We are in Samegrelo now.
On Martvili Canyon, and there are a few options by which you can visit this wonderful place. You can either choose the walking tour, which you can do all on your own. You don't need any guides. And there is another option, which is taking a boat tour.
Yeah, both. You can take
With
walking
a guide,
and
of course.
walking tour with the boat too. Yeah.
Yeah.
So just a walking tour, just entering this place, costs 17 Georgian lari.
Yes.
And plus boat tour, you need to pay 15 lari extra.
Yeah, extra 15 Georgian laris per person.
Yeah. So what is here? Here is this beautiful landscape, canyon. This is walking to panorama, and we will show you also. And we will show you also boat.
Yes, boat tours as well. But here is a beautiful walking space. You can just enjoy the nature, the greenness, and the sound of the water. So.
Yep. And it's very chilly in summer. Yep. Videos to go. დაგვაჯახე ხა Martvili.
როგორ უსვამ მე და თქვენი სახელი? როგორ უსვამს გიორგი?
ვიდეო უნდა ჩაიწერო სპეციალური.
ვითომ მე გატარებ.
Ai, przechodziło. Hi guys, we are in Nokalakevi. Nokalakevi.
This is an old capital of the
Western Georgia. There was Kingdom Egrisi.
Yeah.
And Nokalakevi was capital of Egrisi.
It was in 3000 BC. Yeah.
3rd century BC.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it was built, this capital was built by Kuji. Yeah? In Byzantium and in Greek
Yeah, it was
documents, it is called Archaeopolis.
Yes.
And here are many interesting fortress, wall, defensive wall, and so on. In 6th century here was a very big and famous battle of Archaeopolis.
Yeah.
In history, which was between Byzantians and Persians. So this place was
important in terms of
regional politics and regional history. Yep.
მაგი არის შენი ბრალი ბელა და შენი საწუნავი აბსოლუტურად, იმიტომ რომ შენ ღურის სტილის პრინციპით არის მოქმედი და ქია გაცოცდი თავზე. მეცა კიდე იყო რა. ეს უყარა. მამამისი პლაგიატი ბაღდავაძე მაგას მისი მამისაგან ჰქონდა ყველა ნაკვთი აღებული და პლაგიატი იმიტომ დაარქვეს.
Hello guys,
Hey!
we are in Zugdidi, Samegrelo.
At the Dadiani Palace.
Yeah, this is the main monument in Zugdidi and in Samegrelo. It was built by Dadiani noble family.
Yes. And here are some many interesting things to see other than entering the palace. You can also visit the botanical garden.
It's very beautiful, reconstructed and
Yes.
new.
Yeah. It was rebuilt in few times and mostly by Italian constructors.
And about Dadiani Palace, there are many historical documents and historical artifacts very important for Georgia and for Samegrelo Kingdom. There is also Napoleon face or face mask.
Napoleon, yeah.
Napoleon face mask, which is 3 in the whole world, and one of them is in Dadiani Palace. So visit Zugdidi and visit Dadiani Palace. Today it is not
such a good weather. It's a little bit rainy, but mostly here sun shines a lot.
Yeah,
and it's hot. We didn't enter the palace because we cannot shoot the video there. It's forbidden.
But trust us, we've been there many times.
So it's interesting and very different from anything else that you see and visit in Georgia.
So travelers who are interested in history and these monuments and documents, visit Dadiani Palace.